Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. Let's see how to make Shahi tukda in this video. It's a simple recipe and a tasty one. Kids will definitely enjoy eating this, and if you're hosting a party, you can make this recipe as a dessert. Come on, let's get started. First, let's boil some milk. I'm going to add 500 ml of milk to a saucepan. Let this milk boil for 5 minutes, after which I'll be adding condensed milk. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to add 150 grams of condensed milk. You can also replace this with sugar. Mix it well. To this, I'm going to add some soaked saffron strands. Also, I'm going to crush 2 cardamoms and add it to the milk. You can also add a pinch of cardamom powder or cardamom essence. Now let's cook this for 10 more minutes. You can scrape the cream that's collected on the sides. We will have to reduce this until it thickens, so it might take around 10 to 15 minutes. So let this be on medium flame until then. Meanwhile, let's also make some sugar syrup. To a pan, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, also adding 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Let the sugar dissolve in the water. We do not want any string consistency. And now exactly after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. It has reduced a lot. It's so creamy in texture, so this is the consistency that I'm looking for. And now to deep fry our breadsticks, I have added around 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee to a pan. Let it heat up. And now let's deep fry them until they turn golden brown. And now this is done. Let's remove them from the ghee and transfer it to a plate. And now all our elements are ready. Let's assemble them. I'm going to serve them in shot glasses today. So first, let's pour the rabdi. Now soak the breadsticks in the sugar syrup. That's it. It's time to taste. It's so creamy and rich. You can also garnish this with some nuts. It's so yummy. This is a must-try recipe. Please give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting concept. Until then, take care. Bye.